Hey everybody, if you've got a GM vehicle like I do, this is a 2016, but it's got that active fuel management where it'll switch from 8 cylinders down to 4 cylinders when it thinks that 8 cylinders are not needed. For instance, if you're going downhill or you're coasting or whatnot, it's all designed to save gas. The Achilles heel of GM. But about 2 months ago, and I meant to do a video a month in, and it's been longer, obviously 2 months, but it doesn't really matter. I was curious whether this disabler, it's an AFM DFM disabler, and you just plug it into your port, and it keeps it from going, in my case, from 8 cylinders down to 4, just keeps it in 8-cylinder mode all the time. And all you do, I'll show you. I was curious about the gas mileage, but let me show you real quick. Let me unplug it. There it is right there. And it just, again, plugs right into your port. And it does its little light show. And now it's ready. That's all the installation is. But my mileage, I took a mental note of it when I plugged it in 2 months ago, was 12.2. So let's see where we're at now. Thirteen point two. And it's been in V8 mode the whole 2 months, and it does not go out of V8 mode. It's doesn't matter if you're going downhill or coasting or whatever, but